So ICP has now reached support. It's reached this area here around the structural support level. I only talked about it in yesterday's video, that we have a 5-wave move down. It looks less like the orange scenario, which is the bullish case, more like the white scenario in my opinion. And the main reason is that from an all-time low, we formed a 3-wave move up and then a 5-wave move down. Yeah. So, and the next resistance area is this one. It's between $6.78 and $9.08. And I said yesterday in a video that the white scenario is leading in my opinion, because until we actually have 5 waves up, that the trend is technically still down. It is just a 3-wave move up. Of course, orange is possible if you believe the bullish case. I mean, here's the support zone where we are watching for reaction. But the orange scenario can only unfold as a diagonal pattern, so it's not even an impulse. So it's quite choppy, quite messy, quite speculative. And it would be wave 1, wave 2, and then A, B, C in wave 3. Then it can be a wave 4 and a wave 5. But we would need all of this. Now, of course, it doesn't mean you have to wait until all 5 waves are completed. It can make sense, but some people want to trade within a diagonal pattern. I can tell you that's difficult. And the 5-wave move down rather looks like the white count, which could send it to new lows. Now, someone commented yesterday in a video about something like, I can't remember what the exact wording was, something like comparing this to Zcash, that I don't know, you know, that if you're not bullish, or you will miss these moves. So I mean, you know, fair enough. You can, if you believe this is bullish, you can always set a stop. I mean, it's clearly defined below the support area, for example, or below the last swing low. But we just don't have, and that's it. We don't need to debate that. We don't have an uptrend here. This is only a potential uptrend in the making, but we don't have the pattern that would confirm a reversal to the upside. Doesn't mean we have to go lower. That will depend on how the market reacts to this resistance area, right? This is less about predicting exactly what will happen. I mean, nobody's got the crystal ball, right? I can't. I'm not a prophet, but this is about understanding what the key pivots are. You know, different scenarios and what are the levels. Here, naturally, a bounce is likely in a support area, which is between 366 and 523. And obviously, when we then in resistance, well, it might not be the best time to go long in resistance. Let's say it like that, yeah. If it's short, if it's a good time to short there, depends on your own trading plan. But for now, I think a bounce into resistance seems likely from here. And 451 is a strong support because that's a 61.8 retracement, and just above it is our structural support line here. So yeah, we will have to watch how this now extends. It's way too small to call it meaningful, but it's the first green candle now, actually. So, but there is a small reaction, and it's a bit small to really call it a pump or anything. I think we can, once we get a break above that last high there at 563, that would unlock prices then in the region of that resistance area.